Hello, great people. How's everybody doing? Listen, guys, thank you. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. Also, thank you for your comments. I do appreciate it all. Thank you guys that are watching the video that have not subscribed to the channel yet. I do appreciate it. And I cannot thank you guys enough. I do appreciate all you guys. Listen, I want to tell you guys what is on the table today that is so hot like a hot pocket. It's getting rich. Yes, today I'm here to talk about how to get rich, that green stuff, how to get your mind right, how to get your body right, getting rich using life insurance, disability, income protection. So guys, without further ado, let me get going. I want to talk about getting rich. Getting rich using the form of life insurance. Life insurance, guys, is the most crucial thing that you should have. If it was for free, everybody would have want to have one. If it was for free, everyone would have want to give one to their mother, to their father, to their cousins, to their kids. Listen, everybody would want to have 2, 3, 4 of them if it was for free. Listen, life insurance is one of the things that should be taken serious because, like I said, we are here to talk about how to get rich. Life insurance, there's so many different types that's out there. Just so you know, not one of them is meant and designed for the same thing. It's all different, and it's all different at all different levels. It's not one shoe fits all. Here's the other thing. Yes, a lot of employers nowadays is offering life insurance. It's a great benefit. It's an awesome benefit to have. However, you need your own life insurance. You need to have your own policy. When you leave that employer, if you switch job, if you switch careers, then you no longer have it. Then you have to start all over. Not to mention, guys, like I said, take this serious. Like we are talking about getting rich, the green stuff, the green dollars. Get your mind right, rich mentally, physically. To get life insurance, a major part of that is dealing with your body, with your health. Your health plays a major part. Let me tell you, there's folks that's out there that have money and cannot get it and they want it. I'm telling you guys, listen, this is how you get rich. This is how you elevate your mind. This is how you feel great. This is how you sleep at night. I'm going to tell you, there's nothing better than sleeping like a baby at night, knowing that your family is fine. Your family is great. No matter what happened, you are good. Guess what? You are rich mentally. You are rich physically. So therefore, you get to sleep good. You feel good. And when you wake up, yes, you feel so good. And you feel like, listen, that $1 million, that $1 billion rich. Listen, that's what we're talking about, life insurance. So take it serious, guys. When you're sitting down with somebody and they want to introduce to you life insurance, you need to know exactly what are you getting. Are they going step by step with you, explaining to you what you're getting? Here's the other thing. Don't get me wrong. I agree. Don't get me wrong. I agree. You should help out your family members. If your family members is into insurance and finance and that's what they're doing and you want to get it through them, by all means, at the end of the day, they are your family. But at the same time, make sure you know what you are getting. There's so many folks that's out there. This is what's happening. My cousin does it, but he just started, so now you want to help him out, and of course you're not even sure what you have because you really got it because it was your cousin or it was your brother or it was your aunt, it was your sister, and not knowing what you have. No, listen, take this serious. This is your life. This is your family's life we're talking about. Don't get me wrong. I'm not saying don't help out your family member. I'm not saying don't stick together as a family. Great, but make sure you protect yourself, protect your family. We are talking about life insurance, the way to get rich, the way to make sure your family is fine, with your final expense. And if not even, make sure your mind is right. When we say rich is a state of mind. Of course, you guys know that. I'm just talking about that. But you guys knew that already. Getting rich is a state of mind. When you're rich mentally, listen, you feel good. Your whole body is have a different feeling. You walk different, you smile different, you feel different, and you even talk different. Right. Listen, so that's why it's so hot, like a hot pocket. Because we're talking about getting rich, that green stuff, that getting your mind right, getting money, getting your mind to be elevated. That's getting rich. Now, guys, listen, let me switch it a little bit into getting how income protection disability is getting you rich. Your ability to produce an income is crucial if you are unable to produce as you would normally produce for your family. If you are unable to produce the income that used to come in the house, it's crucial, it's brutal. Of course, you need to be rich mentally so that you can sleep good at night, knowing that no matter what happens to you, your house is going to be paid for, your car note is going to be paid for, your apartment is going to be paid for, the kids are still going to private school, nothing is happening, or whatever the case may be. Your kids is still eating the cereal that they like, your kids still getting that brand name sneakers, that brand name shoes, or if they wear suits and tie, they're still wearing suits and tie. If they like jeans and t-shirt, they're still getting their same brand name jeans and t-shirt. Whatever that is going on, your light bill's not cut off. Listen, it is crucial to sit down with someone that understands the dynamic of insurance and finance. There's so many different levels to income protection and life insurance. Life insurance alone, most folks will say, here's the one, here's the part that I love. I got it to work. You're supposed to have it to work. What are you talking about? You're supposed to have it to work. An employer that provides benefits is a great employer. Yes, you're supposed to have it through your job, through your workplace. That's great. I'm happy for you. That's why I want to sit down with you. Awesome. Let's sit down. Let's talk about this stuff. Come on now, guys. I know you guys are with it. Jump on board with me for a second. If you have employee benefits, that is awesome. Listen, you're ahead of the game. So now let's sit down so that we could finish the whole plan. You know what I mean? Sit down, finish the whole plan, get the right coverage. Now we have employee benefits. So now you have that coverage. So now you're going to get yourself your own coverage so that we make a whole round table. So now when something happens, all you're doing is, hey, listen, I sat down with that guy, man. He knew what he was talking about. That's why I'm good now. That's why I'm all right. I'm not worried about this. What? My life insurance? What you talking about? I don't have to. Listen, I'm all right. I'm good. He set me straight. Man, listen, he even told me, look, listen, sit with another advisor and see how it was. Look, if you sitting down with someone and they find flaws in what you have, that means there's something wrong. Something's missing. It's just something's missing. Listen, sit down with somebody. Let them properly help you. That's what we're here for, to help. We want to help you. If you have questions, if you have comments, something you don't understand, something I've said you don't really get, listen, reach out and say, hey, listen, I really didn't understand that. Can we sit down? What's a good time? So we could sit down so I could properly help you to understand and give you the proper information. Yes, that's what we're talking about. To give you the proper information, to give you the right stuff, the right things that you need. The one thing, guys, that was going to break my heart. I'm going to tell you. It's going to break my heart. To sit down with someone after something already happened. Let's not take the worst case scenario. You slipped and fall. And now the going get tough. And now we're sitting down. Guys, at that point, it's too late. No, listen, protect yourself. You wouldn't go outside in the cold without a t-shirt and a jacket. So why are you walking around, if you're not covered and you're walking around uncovered? Listen, come on now. Even the Bible said, my people perish due to lack of knowledge. Guys, I'm bringing you this knowledge on how to get rich, cover your family. Listen, how to sleep good at night. How to feel good. Listen, how to walk around and say, yes, I feel good. You know that. Listen, I'm not a great singer, but I promise I'll be a great help. But guys, listen, I know I'm joking a little bit, but the fact of the matter is, take this serious. This should be the most crucial thing that you do. The most important decision that you make is getting yourself covered. Is protecting yourself, making sure all your elements is lined up so that your family is fine. Your family, to make sure your family is safe. Guys, please take this serious. If you have any questions, anything, any comments, please leave comments down below. If you have something that you would like for me to explain, or you have something that you would like for me to talk about, if you have something that you would like for me to help you with, anything in that nature, please let me know. I am here for you. I am here to help you. I am here for you. So guys, please share this video, subscribe, and share with your friends, family, relatives, your neighbors, and everybody that you know that's in your network. And I do appreciate you guys, and I'll speak to you guys soon, and I'll see you guys soon.